101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program, Smart Up Your Life, namely Smart Up Your Life, English discussion, Smart FM, with English communities in East Indonesia. Wow, especially in South Sulawesi and Makassar. And yeah, as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friends from a few communities here. And hi, guys. How are you? What's up? What's up? Okay, same meaning. Yeah, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, we would like to invite our participants to our speakers, to introduce themselves, each other one by one, and of course, their meeting club and about the schedule also. Okay, I start from you. Okay, what is your name? Please introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home. What is your meeting club and what about the schedule, please?
Okay, hello everyone. Hello.
Hi.
And everyone who is watching right now. My name is Andy Kramanas and you may call me Ikram. And right now I represent Mabicara community. So it's based in Goa.
Yeah, what about actually what stand for of Mabicara?
So Mabicara literally, honestly, it's from like a local language from
Okay.
Bugis. So it just like basically means like to speak. So in Mabicara community, we focus more on speaking instead of like the other skills, like listening or reading or writing.
Okay.
So that's why, because we live in Indonesia where we don't really speak the languages that we are learning. So that's why we focus on
Yeah.
speaking.
Okay, and the unique is not only English but also, as I know,
Yeah.
Mabicara is polyglot, right?
Yeah. So
yeah.
we provide so many language classes,
Mhm.
including Korean, Japanese, Arabic, and other languages as well.
Okay, what about the schedule?
So the schedule, I think you may see on our Instagram. So it's at @mabicara_community. So, but right now we are running like an IELTS class as well as like speaking class. So for the speaking class, it's on Saturday, while for the IELTS class, it's like 3 times in a week or like 4 times in a week. So if you need like further details, just check out our Instagram.
Okay, thank you, Ikram. Welcome home.
Thank
Okay,
you.
long time no see. Okay, what about you? Please.
Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity has given to me. So my name is Pindi.
Pindi.
Yeah.
Okay. Not Jinni.
No,
Pindi.
Pindy.
Okay.
Okay,
I get
people
it.
sometimes get me wrong by say
Mhm.
Windy or Cindy, but it's
Like a
actually
wine window.
yeah, but it's actually Pindi.
Okay.
I'm from Equinsa.
Mhm.
It's English community. Maybe few of my friends already come here.
Okay.
And
What about the
for
schedule?
the schedule in Equinsa, we have several division,
Mhm.
and so they each division have their own schedule for building the members skill like for competition itself.
Wow.
It's myself in division of competition. So I prepare my junior or the member of Equinsa who have a
Sounds great.
yeah,
What
have a
about
desire to join in competition.
what about the
especially
home
the
base?
home base in we have a shelter.
Uh-huh.
We call it shelter in Goa.
Okay, good. Thank you,
Okay,
Pindi.
yeah, Pindi.
Okay, next. What about you? Do you get the point?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, please.
Yeah, my name is Muhammad Farhan Maulana, and you can call me Farhan. And also, I'm from the English Club,
What stand for?
University of Makassar
Dipa English
Club.
Club. Okay, university, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's look like your English club? Could you?
So my English course, they make a lesson. It always do in Sunday and Saturday.
Okay. What about the schedule?
The schedule they make a lesson. For example, make a study for my new member, and on Sunday they make a study for my administration daily.
Thank you, Farhan.
Yeah.
Okay, Farhan. Okay, what about you? Next, what is your name? What is your meeting club and about the schedule?
I'm Alivia Hana Pratiwi and people call me Hana.
Okay.
I represent of Max Al Markas Hudi Enlightening Studies. And
It's familiar.
yeah,
Okay.
it's the English community for everyone who can increase their English skills, free to come mix.
Okay, Hannah. How can we
Yes.
call you, Hannah?
Hannah.
Okay, welcome. Okay, give a applause first for us, guys. Okay, we will talking about our topic for this evening and talking about our topic. Yeah, this is very related with like how to say extraordinary or something like achievement, something like uniqueness, something like it's like something big, something giant, something it's wonderful, amazing, and etc. So we're talking about the person who will be success, the civilization, the forward country, and how to say 1%, only 1% things, 1% people can reach about this level actually, and that's why our topic for this evening we call is what, do you know? Go international level. Giving applause for us. Yes, our topic is go international level, and we'll be talking about when we're talking about this go international level. So there is the effort, there is a status, there is like a predicate, the people, the places, the status, the culture, the everything about the wow, the amazing the amazing things that we can show to the world about people's communities and etc. Something like that. And guys, I want to ask you, maybe start from Hannah. Yes, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
So go international level. In my opinion, I think like people like who want to build and increase their skills, developing our skills to be like international standards, and international levels, like for example, like when we do like skripsi, and
You mean
it's
in
like
academic school, right?
in academic schools, like we have to publish in Sinta, and Sinta is like international standard.
Yeah.
And we have
And-
to write
Mhm.
ilmiah.
Mhm.
How to say
And-
karya ilmiah?
And the most
Yeah.
important is there is extra effort to get them, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, anyway, I move to you, bro. Ikram, how do you think about our topic?
I feel like this topic, honestly, it caught my attention at first, just
Mhm.
because especially like international, like going international is hella related to language learning.
Yeah,
Like in a globalized world, when we want to connect to more people around the world, we need
Right.
like English at least, like
Right.
to connect to different people from diverse backgrounds. So I
Mhm.
feel like it's very interesting, just because maybe we can talk based on our own experiences. Like maybe we have the experience to talk to foreigners, even like in Indonesia or even like online. So I feel like it can be very interesting when we can introduce our own culture to them, or we learn something new that we haven't really heard previously. So I feel like it's gonna be very engaging, and I look forward to discussing with you guys.
so you are very excited,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
Okay, give you a statement for the next. Okay, what about you? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Talking about go international, I think that it's everyone desire, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we are here ever dream of to be go international. So it's also my dream, especially in education. Like I dream of to go international for education, because as we know that I don't mean that Indonesia is bad in education, but in abroad they provide a very good method in education. So that's why many of people in Indonesia also want to go international in education. But the but the most important thing that we have to have if you want to go international is English first, and also our personality. Like when we are in the in abroad, how we are maintain our culture, so we don't lose it so we don't influenced by other culture outside.
So, you think that to reach your dream to, I mean, study in abroad, like add your values,
Yes,
right?
we have to add our values,
Mm-hmm.
our personality, our skills also.
Okay,
Because
Pindi.
we have we need to show the world that we have something that make us value to go international. So what will you show to international if you don't have something?
Yeah, wow. Show to the world. Thank you, Pindi. Okay, what about you?
Well, the topic is about go international level. Actually, this is an interesting topic for me, and based on my opinion, if we talk about the go international level, it means we talk about someone or something special and popular in this world. I give you guys example like artificial intelligence,
Oh yeah.
or you can say AI. By the way, is everyone in here knows about AI? Yeah. For example, like filter on Instagram, actually it was made by AI.
Okay.
So the reason why I say artificial intelligence could be go international level, because it help people. It help people so much. It help people a lot of. It help people in education,
Yeah.
in health, and in defense. So I give you guys example in education. You know ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Yeah, ChatGPT. I think almost
It's
student.
genius.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost people, almost student, include me, also using ChatGPT to finish their job, their tasks, and to get many statement from that. So maybe that's the reason why artificial intelligence could be go international level. Maybe that's all for me.
So I mean, the creativity is include of international taste, international level, something like that. For example, ChatGPT
Yeah.
also, and the scope about level of international is not only limit for the culture, not
Yeah.
only the person, but also
Yeah,
creativity,
creativity.
the civilization,
Yeah,
food, and
and
everything.
everything.
right?
Yeah, maybe like that.
Okay, we would like to move to the second question about this topic. Yeah, the go international level. Okay, guys. Okay, when we're talking about go international level, let's to make how to say kerucut, how do you say yeah, something like that. Okay, we were talking about the figure or someone, the figure. Who do you think, guys, is very inspiring to the world that they get the level of international, something like go international level in bahasa mendunia? Yes. Who do you think, guys, the figure, something like the sosok, something like that? Ikram, do you have? Okay.
Yeah.
And why?
I
Mhm.
do. So maybe because recently I've been listening to Nicki's songs. You know Nicki?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
If you know Rich,
Coachella.
yeah, Coachella and stuff like that.
Nicki.
And like I've been listening to her songs, and I'm like very obsessed just because
Mm.
how smart she is, like in writing songs, like in
Mhm.
songwriting, right? And also like the fact that she also represents Indonesia in a whole like a very different country as well. So I feel like it's something that I would like to be participate as well, even though like I'm not very good at music or songs. So maybe like her, like I would like to focus more on education.
Mhm.
But yeah, I feel like she is one of like the public figures that I look up to, just
Mhm.
because like even though like almost like her songs are in English, but she always kind of puts kind of Indonesian culture like in her art, like when she performs, or even like in Coachella, like, she performs like one of Indonesian songs, Sempurna, yeah.
Mhm.
So I feel like
Which one? Could you give her the sample?
Sempurna. Okay, you can tell, right? I'm not good at singing, so don't ask me anymore, right? So yeah, I'm very proud of her, and I hope that I could watch her perform live.
Okay.
So yeah, that's one of my goals, like to come to one of her concerts.
Perfect. Nikki.
Yeah, Nicki and Rich
Okay.
Brian.
Okay, nice. Rich Brian also.
Yeah.
Brian.
Thank you. Okay, what about you, Hannah? Do you have like a feature or yes, someone, a man or woman that very inspiring? It's technical. Okay.
So, in my opinion, I think like Indonesian woman like Maudi
Maudi
Ayunda and
okay.
Najwa Shihab.
Okay.
Yeah,
Why?
because I think like they are a good representative of Indonesian woman and woman empowerment, and like they have so many achievement, and they influence all women to be brave in speak up and to be confident to be well-being people.
So both them. What about the others like Ojek, got a paycheck? I mean, Cinta Laura. What about Cinta Laura or Sri Mulyani?
Yeah, Cinta Laura. I think
Sri Mulyani
she-
Menteri Keuangan. What about? I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding, guys. Yeah.
So yes, Sri Mulyani is very inspiring.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Retno Marsudi,
it's
Sri
one
Mulyani.
of woman that can be minister of
Yeah.
how to say Menteri Keuangan.
Huh? How
Menteri
to say?
Keuangan.
Keuangan? Finance, yeah.
Minister of Finance, and they show us that woman can be a leader for women can be into a political
Yeah.
political and
Yeah, the most important, they are very, very extraordinary, right? Okay, thank you, Hannah. Okay, cool. Okay, what about you? Do you have a who is inspiring,
I think
man or women?
the Elon Musk, I think, is the best figure for me.
Okay.
Because he is a good project. He is a rich man. The project who has made by her, he's like Tesla, you know.
Yeah, Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla.
Tesla.
Because
Tesla.
yeah, Tesla. I mean, because from his project we can look the technology from this now. For example, like a car can drive automatically. Like that. Actually, it was made by Elon Musk also, and Elon Musk have a good project. For example, like a rocket, he make a rocket. So from that, I think
And make a space tourism,
yeah.
something like that, right?
she got it from his career. So that's why I think Elon Musk is a best figure for me.
It's powerful.
Yeah.
He is a very powerful, but there is something funny when he is how to say teleconference. You know the story,
Yes.
teleconference, but black out in,
Yeah.
in his house.
Actually, I don't
But
look.
it's not a biggie. So.
I don't look the teleprogram on that because I don't have time to look.
In KTT conference.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Farhan. Have you? What about you? Have you?
I have many, and I
Oh.
couldn't even choose
Okay,
one.
okay. Mention to smart
And
viewers and listeners at
Maybe
home.
some with Ikram, Nikki, and Rich Brian.
No others, because you
Like,
have a lot of.
I like how to say. I'm very proud to see them in Coachella bring Indonesian flag in the stage and show to all the world that
What about
they
Nutella?
are very like they are very proud
Yeah.
to be Indonesian.
Yeah.
And also like Iko Uwais.
Oh, yeah.
Because he is an international actor and show to all the world that Indonesia has a special like pencak silat.
Yeah.
And also Vina Maulina recently.
Which one?
Vina Maulina, you didn't know?
Mention please. Which one?
Vina
Explain.
Maulina is
I'm not perfect.
TikTokers who
TikTokers.
always provide knowledge about how to get a work in
Okay.
TikTok. And recently she went to abroad to represent Indonesia in economical discussion.
Wow.
Yeah. So like for everyone who want to go international, maybe we have to have our value and uniqueness, so we can show to the world that we are from Indonesia, and we are and Indonesia have a human resource that capable to compete to other
Yeah.
people in the world.
Wow. Give big applause for
And we have to be
Indonesia.
proud of that, because
Yes.
like expand our culture over there, and also show to all the people that Indonesia is a very big country.
Ooh, wow. Okay, guys. Yes, smart viewers and listeners at home, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. One oh 1.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, we are back. Still here with Ikram, Pindi, Farhan, and Hana. Yes, I can guess it. Okay, anyway, we will move to the next question. The third question. My question is, do you have guys like sample about the heritage of Indonesia that are very very wonderful? It's amazing, and we can show to the world that this is a very very iconic, and the level is a very very, it's international thing, something like that. Do you have the sample like the heritage, warisan budaya, something benda or not?
The heritage from
Yes.
Indonesia is maybe like from Makassar itself. We have um, how to say, maybe baju bodoh,
Okay, why baju bodoh?
because it's very unique from its shape. Like, is, for example, for the green color, people
Mhm.
said that the green color is only for like dara biru.
Wow,
For,
there is a philosophy.
yeah, there is a
Mm.
philosophy, but right now in a wedding party, most
Mm.
of the people using green color anymore. There is no um, limitation that the green color is only for it's dari biru, but
Did you know that baju bodoh is one of oldest traditional costume in the world?
yes,
Did you know?
yes.
Oh, okay.
But actually, I don't know the historical from the beginning because I'm not the origin from Makassar itself. But
Okay.
I'm very interested.
Where are you
in
from? Chinese?
Indrekang.
Rekan.
Yeah, from
Okay.
Indrekang.
Okay. Okay.
But I heard from my lecturers and
Mhm.
also for those people who read how to say Sabari Gading.
Yes,
in-
regarding
yeah,
you don't
the
have to put
philosophy of
the con-
Makassar,
okay,
right?
mhm.
But the original book is in Belanda right now, so we don't have it
yeah,
anymore.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I
The
think that,
script,
yeah,
the old
the,
script.
yeah, the
Yes.
original script is in Belanda right now. So we don't have it anymore. We only maybe like the copy, or I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know either. But I think that we can introduce baju bodoh to abroad, and
Mhm.
also the dance, like
Mm.
how to say the dance at tari etnis. Yeah,
Mhm,
we can
mhm.
introduce it in global. Like right now, social media is one of the way to expand our heritage. Like most of the
To
people right now,
expose, yeah?
yes, many
Mm.
of the people right now use TikTok, Instagram. So we
Mhm.
can maybe like for the community, they can maybe upload a
Yeah,
video.
everything is related with Indonesia is very easy to viral.
Yeah,
You know?
yes, but sometimes something viral is something is not good. Like the good one is dive by the bad one. Like the bad one is go easy to viral, but the good one is not.
Yeah.
Like how to say, we all of us can see in TikTok, right, that the bad one of Indonesia
Yeah.
is very
The
easy
first
to,
platform,
yeah,
the top
the top
platform in the
everywhere.
world.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
TikTok.
even the kids use it also
Mm.
to watch some
Mhm.
video.
Even
and
the kids cannot how to say, speak, right?
yeah,
They
then they can comment bad comment to every people, like how to say, I think also that TikTok is not a good social media
Yeah.
to Indonesia,
Mhm.
especially for kids.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I like your perspective about the heritage, especially for baju bodoh. Yeah, we appreciate about baju bodoh itself. Thank you. Okay, what about you, Ikram? Do you have a sample about the heritage that can we show to the international level in abroad?
Yeah, I feel like even though like I'm not from Java, I'm not Japanese, but I'm
Mhm.
super proud of the fact that Indonesia has like so many temples, like
Okay.
Borobudur temples.
Okay.
Yes, oh
What
my
about
God.
in Antan? There is
In
temple.
Antang, we have like a mountain.
Ooh, I know the
But
mountain.
we are gonna talk.
Oh,
we're
no,
not
no, no!
gonna
Don't
talk about
mention
that,
it.
yeah,
Don't
yeah,
mention it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have, but there are so many good places in Makassar. Why you are
Yeah.
referring to Antang?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
So,
Not Sediang,
like,
yeah.
like in Makassar itself. Oh my gosh, I'm Makassar, but I'm not really sure. We have like Lagaligo, right?
Oh.
And I'm so proud of that. And I feel like right now, like if I'm not mistaken, like the
Terpanjang ya.
yeah, it's like
Mhm.
the longest crib, and it's right now in the Netherlands as well,
Yes.
not in Indonesia. But I'm so proud of the fact that we are like having that kind of like cultural thing that we can
Mhm.
introduce to the world. And like I want to talk about temples, but why you kind of
Yeah, please, please. You have a
Yeah,
temple. Yeah.
I haven't been there, but like when I met like foreigners, like they usually talk about temples that we have, or like beaches in Bali, or like some good tourism spots in Maros that I cannot really
Ramang-ramang?
recall. Ramang-ramang, and also
Say Ramang-ramang.
Ramang-ramang.
No,
Huh?
Ramang-ramang.
Ramang-ramang.
Yeah.
Yeah. You should go there as well if you haven't. I think I went there as well once with my friends, but when I was like in senior
But
high
you
school.
not call me.
Kidding. I
Okay,
didn't know
continue.
you back then.
Okay.
Like I just knew you when I was like in a university.
Okay.
But even if I knew you, I didn't invite you.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So-
I believe that. I believe that. Yeah.
Yeah, but I feel like we have to plan that. We have to plan and take some pictures, so like there's something that we can remember in the future.
Okay. So the temples,
The
like
temples,
Borobudur,
Borobudur temples,
Prambanan.
Prambanan temples, all of the temples have like we have like one of the best temples in the world in my opinion, and I'm super proud that the fact that I was talking to Korean people and they even knew about the temples, so it
Okay.
I
Say
feel
hello
like,
to your Korean
for
friends.
all my Korean friends, hi.
Hi,
and-
kidding. No.
I think they're watching. I think they will be watching.
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, because this is YouTube, right?
Yeah,
It's live streaming
I'm
and
gonna send the
YouTube
link as
also.
well to them.
Yeah. Okay. Do you still have? No.
I
Keep
don't
your
know,
statement.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you. What about you, Farhan?
I think
I
the-
guess you will explain about technology also. Tell me again.
it's different right now.
Okay.
Okay. I think the unique culture Indonesia that is batik.
Okay.
Because
Why?
batik
Why?
is a unique style. It's unique. It has a unique style because when I was senior high school, every Thursday and Wednesday we always wearing that. So that is the good culture from Indonesia. We can show to the world, and I think that's all for me.
Okay. Could you? I mean, like, how do you think about the kind of batik? Which kind of batik that can we show and very iconic to the world?
I
Which
think
one?
maybe batik from Papua, because batik from Papua.
What about batik from Malaysia?
from what Malaysia? I
Batik from
think-
Papua.
Oh yeah, from Papua
Okay.
because it has a good unique
Uh-huh.
style.
Okay. Batik from Papua.
Yeah. Do you
Okay.
never look that?
No, show me.
Maybe
after this.
next week I will show you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me free of charge. Kidding. Okay. What about you, Hannah?
So, in my opinion, I think like the cultural things that Indonesia have to show to the world, it is dangdut music.
Ooh,
know?
wow.
You know,
Yes,
like
Dangdut goes to UNESCO right now. I'm not kidding.
I think it's
Yeah.
very unique. And in the past, you know, like Roma Irama, legendary.
Could you give the
of-
RAL, please? RAL. You know RAL? Starting
don't.
point. No kidding. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Starting point. Okay, come on.
So yeah, I think like in the past, dangdut is tools for tell everyone a good like good apa culture
Yes.
begitu, like you know, in
Uniqueness.
Roma Irama song is in the past a lot of
Live message.
the means is so meaningful.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
great.
right now I think dangdut there are apa
Fair-
that,
Fair
there are,
it is.
like
Mhm.
so many
sorry?
meaning in nowadays dangdut song like bad
Why?
like
Why?
in,
Why?
like lagunya song,
I like your idea because your idea is like now it's unique because you mentioned dangdut, right? The others mentioned like batik temple in Java Yeah, okay. Make it sure, yeah. Double check. Not antang, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because like we can see like Korean have K-pop music, and
Okay.
yeah, so we can maybe
Uh-huh.
expand our music
Yeah.
genre to
Of
international
course.
world.
Then the Academy Asia. Okay, okay. Thank you, Hannah. Okay, this is a very interesting topic. Okay, we will move about innovation. About innovation, yeah, like technology, like creativity, dance, yeah. Like Michael Jackson is a genius, yeah. Roma Irama is a genius. Bob Marley is a genius, right? This is we will talking about innovation. Um, do you have a sample that our maybe leader that is innovation, our artists, our society have a great idea and they show to the world. Our scientists, they have an idea about the international level, maybe like Habibi, because Habibi it's put the form, how to say, not form, yeah, like mathematic to basic how to, yeah, how to make a plan, something like that. And the founder the other founders like Gojek, right? Yeah, yeah, because it's come from Indonesia, right? This is innovation. Yeah, do you have any idea about it? In all of, yeah, okay, Pindi. Who's gonna be the first speakers to answer this question?
Farhan is very good at technology, so
Okay, yeah, in all of I would say aspect like politics, economy, social, culture, religion, like Zakir Naik, he is a very powerful influence people in all over the world. This is innovation also, innovation in that way, something like that. In all of aspect, in how to say, like talent search in America, like Simon Cowell, it's very success to create American Got Talent, and actually it's many more sample. But what about you guys? Do you have a sample? Should I change my question? Do you have any idea about it? Okay, no. Okay. How do you think about the people fail to get their dream, even they are very very hard to get, how to say it, to try how to uh, go to abroad, how to go international and something like that. Ikram, how do you think about the people who failed?
yeah, I feel like like getting a scholarship or
Okay.
like going abroad is not like an easy thing that we
Mhm.
can get. So I feel like like we cannot really deny that a lot of people are quite privileged that they can go overseas without thinking how much money that they spend just because
Sacrifice, yeah.
yeah,
Mhm.
they are born from like a very wealthy family, while like for a
Mhm.
lot of us, like we need the scholarship and we need to compete with a lot of people,
Mm.
and it really depends on the scholarship program itself. And even like I know like a lot of people who have applied to scholarship programs like 10 times, like
Mhm.
5 times, 15 times, and they haven't even got it. So I
Mm.
feel like it's not easy, but what I like about that, just because they want to get the scholarship for the sake of the better of our country, like
Okay.
in terms of contribution, like
Mhm.
they haven't really gone abroad, but they have contributed more than those people who have gone abroad with their own money, and
Mhm.
they don't even like return to Indonesia. And shout out to LPDP for the
Okay.
scholarship program, who are
You
very,
are right.
and I'm one of the awardees,
Okay.
so I'm super proud of like
Hey,
from my
giving a
yeah,
whisper.
I'm so proud of
Ikram.
LPDP
Uh-huh.
just because like they are very generous of
Mhm.
giving like money for us in order like to get proper education, and
Mhm.
then we will go back, or we will come back to Indonesia to build our nation
Mhm.
to be like a better country in terms of like education, uh, finance, and also like other aspects, culture, and medicine. And I feel like there are many talented people that we haven't really heard before. So yeah, my note to all of us, like we have to promote this program just because like we need more people to contribute to our country.
Okay, Indonesia,
Yep.
we did it.
And
Okay, this is a slogan of pageant. Okay, what about you?
Okay.
How do you think about the people who
I think that,
fail to get
yeah, I
their
think
or
that
his or
maybe-
her dream?
I think that many of the people maybe already sacrificed their time, money,
Yeah.
and everything in their life to get their dream.
Mhm.
Like they sacrifice their time to study every day and every time.
Mhm.
But if you study, it will never get wrong, even though you didn't reach your dream or gain your dream. Because if you if you couldn't achieve your dream to study abroad to get a proper education and then come back to your country and get a big contribution after you get a proper education in abroad, but you can still contribute to Indonesia by what you already learned
Okay.
in preparation for go international. Like you can maybe you still can continue everything in Indonesia,
Mhm.
because there is also many university that proper a good education like UI.
Dunia belum berakhir.
Yeah.
Mhm.
UI, UGM, it's also a proper university to improve our skill to get a proper education. It's not, the word isn't over.
There,
if
there,
you
there,
didn't-
there are many ways to roam,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
It's a logic. Thank
Yeah.
you. You make a sense. Okay, what about you?
Can you repeat the topic? The topic.
What the topic, please?
I
Kidding.
mean the question.
Okay, my question is, what do you think about the people who failed to reach or get their dream, his dream, her dreams?
I think to get our dream, first we have to write our dream in the note, maybe, and after that we have to get a lot of study, work, and after that we have to go to school, have a lot of friends, and get many information from that, and that's why from that we can get many lessons and we can
Okay.
get many experience.
Mhm.
And after that, I think when we have a lot of friends, we have a good dream after that.
Should we write our how to say
Dream.
dream by magic pen
Magic pin?
or
Maybe.
and can make it dream, make it happen
Yeah.
with magic pen.
Magic pen, maybe.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. I get the point. Thank you. Nice. Okay, what about you? Do you get the point, right?
Yes.
Mm.
So yeah, I think someone who get failure to reach their dreams. I think to be
I always waiting you guys. Okay. Uh-huh.
to be reach our dreams is needs more sacrifice, and like we have to work hard and
Mhm.
study hard,
Yeah.
and maybe there is other option, like you have a privilege from your family. You can get your dreams is
Are we?
very easily. You can
Okay.
I think
Come
like
on,
that.
come on, Anna. I like your spirit. Okay, guys, don't forget to prepare your vocabularies about related topic. Yeah, your idioms, your wise word, your conclusion, your final words. Okay, we move to the conclusion. Yeah, what about you, Hannah? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
So if we talking about go international level, is we have to have a unique and a uniqueness, and
Mhm.
something like how to
Genuine.
say no how to say
Which one? And the
my
most
God,
important, do not hesitate to put bahasa when you have to say in English. Okay.
So yeah,
It's like what?
we have to developing our skills,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, we can if we developing our skills, we can get competence and confidence to make our life is well-being, and yeah,
These are very
maybe
fundamental. Mm.
maybe we can uh, give our best contribution to Indonesia in our field itself, like maybe what your passion
Yeah.
and yeah, something like that.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Farhan? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
For me, for this topic, I'm gonna make a conclusion like the point is we have to have a skill and a good value, because from that we can change the world, we can go to international level, we can look the people like Elon Musk and another one, they have a good skill, they have a good talent, they have a good career because they have a skill. So the point is we have to improve our skill and improve our talent. Maybe that's all.
This is a bonus for you. Okay, okay, thank you, Farhan. What about you? What is your conclusion for this evening?
I think that there's no doubt that maybe everyone in Indonesia, especially we are who's a speaker here, want to go international. Because I realized that because I realized that since the emergence of public figure who show that they got the scholarship or they can go abroad for study or for making a movie or being an actress, singer, it's bring a tremendous benefits to residents in Indonesia. Like I personally have a dream to go international as a student to get a proper education.
Where?
I like to watch Harry Potter and I dream to be Edinburgh because it's very magical.
How we pronounce Edinburgh?
Edinburgh.
Okay.
I don't know.
Edinburgh. Okay.
I like it's a very magical place because I'm obsessed to Harry Potter.
Oh,
That's why I really.
that's why.
Oh my God! I really dream of the place so much.
Okay. After this, you will have to say write the scenario
Yeah, but
about the movie.
I know that the struggle to go international is very hard, especially for us because English is not our English is the second language in Indonesia, so we have to study hard.
Extra.
Yeah, extra study for learn English, and also we have to prepare our skill and personality itself because we don't only need our language, even though we have a good languages, but we don't have a skill or personality. Yeah, it's got nothing. So we have to prepare everything, and maybe we can see the requirements of LPDP or maybe another scholarship to prepare ourselves.
Okay, you have amazing standard. Thank you, Pindi. Okay, what about you? Your conclusion.
Okay, well, from our discussion, I can conclude that even though like going international, of course, is not an easy thing to do, but you know, like if we have the skills, we have the competence, and we are willing to put our blood, sweat, and tears, I feel like at the end of the day we can make it. But again, you know, it's not easy, so I cannot really say to all people that if you try hard, you will make it, because you know I cannot really guarantee anything. But again, if you cannot go international, at least don't say something bad for those who are trying to go there, for our educators, for our learners, for our young people, for our actors, for our actors who are, you know, like trying to get proper career outside. When they are trying, you know, like to promote Indonesia, even though they are not making it yet, don't say something bad about them. It's the process. Don't say something bad on social media, for instance, like on TikTok, on Instagram, like, because as we also discussed before, like there are many people who are very talented, but maybe they are not destined to be successful yet. So I feel like we need to respect everyone's process. So yeah, just be you, and also always be reminded that you can also go there, but maybe not. just maybe it's not just your faith, so you can contribute by your own style, by your own faith. And even like in Indonesia, there are many ways to be successful, and there are many ways to connect to outsiders from other countries as well. So you don't need to go abroad in order to go international.
Okay, it's amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, what of you guys, do you have a vocabulary about relate our topic for this evening? Idioms or wise word? Final statement. Okay, please. Okay. Huh?
Just said it before that many ways to go through.
Maybe you can.
Yeah. Okay, repeat, please. Okay.
The idioms maybe like just our moderator said before that many ways to go to Rome.
Okay.
Like this idiom means that if you couldn't go international, maybe you can be successful in Indonesia also. Like there are many ways to get you successful. If you fail in one way, maybe there is still another way open for you.
Okay, thank you, Pindi. Okay, guys, giving applause for you guys, for us, guys. Okay, thank you, Kram from Bicara. Thank you, Pindi from Quinsa. Thank you, Farhan from Dek. Yeah, Deepa English Club. Thank you, Hannah from Max. That's all our conversation for this evening about Go International level. Don't forget to watch and listen Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. And see you for the next week. Bye bye.